Today we're going to talk about 3 things you need to make Katie. Katie, if you're like going Katie fast or slow. So that's what we do. First thing you need is like a pot of some sort. Any pot that would do. You need the strainer right here. It could be any strainer. This is my strainer. And you need a spoon. A spoon. We need a box of KD. And you're gonna need your Stanley thermos. It could be any thermos. You can use Stanley thermos brand. And I'm gonna show you guys how to make fast KD. So what you wanna do is take your pot. Listen to that. Focus on my stove, it's 9:36 p.m. So we're gonna like. Then you take your thermos. Made in China. That's my thermos. Let's open up here so you can see. Still steaming after 24 hours ago, so it's steaming when I do this. It's like still boiled in that thermos, still boiled, so we're gonna turn on the burner around and dump this in there. Enough to make KD. That's my thermos. Let's go thermos. Right, anyway. You're gonna need a pot, a spoon, a thermos box KD, and a strainer to make the best KD ever. You can see the steam. Look at that, YouTubers. This is my video and pish. Stay high, stay lifted, and pace. I love KD. YouTubers. It's the best thing you can have. And it's a good thing when you understand. And pace.